Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tricky appliance errors so you can get your home running smoothly again. Today, we're tackling the Siemens washing machine error E23, a common issue that might pop up on your 2025 models. If you've seen this code flashing on your screen, it usually means there's a problem with the water drainage system. Think of it as your machine waving a red flag for help. First off, let's understand what error E23 is all about. In Siemens washing machines, this error typically signals that the appliance isn't draining water properly. This could be due to a clogged drain filter, a kinked or blocked drain hose, or even a malfunctioning pump. It's not uncommon, especially if you've got lint, coins, or other debris building up over time. The good news? Many of these issues can be fixed at home without calling in a pro right away. Before we dive into troubleshooting, safety first. Always unplug your washing machine from the power source to avoid any electrical mishaps. Once that's done, start by locating the drain filter, usually found at the bottom front of the machine behind a small panel. Unscrew it carefully and clean out any gunk you find. This simple step resolves the problem about 50% of the time. Next, check the drain hose. Make sure it's not bent, twisted, or obstructed. If it is, straighten it out or clear the blockage. If that doesn't do the trick, try running a drain or spin cycle on its own to see if the error clears. Sometimes, a reset is all it needs. However, if the error persists after these checks, it might indicate a deeper issue like a faulty pump or sensor, and that's when you should contact a certified technician to avoid causing more damage. Wrapping this up, error E23 is often a quick fix with a bit of elbow grease, but always prioritize your safety and the machine's warranty. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more appliance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next one.